I'm gonna show you how to set up your voicemail here on your iPhone. It's really simple to do. What you want to do is locate your phone icon. And as you can see, mine is located here at the bottom of my shortcuts. So I'm gonna click it. Once you do that, you want to go to the far right and hit the voicemail here at the bottom. Once you do that, you go to the top on the left and hit greetings. And once you hit greetings, you want to go down here and hit the customs. And then once you hit customs, you can record your message. Unable to answer the phone at this time. After the beep, please leave your message. Thank you. And then you hit the stop button. And make sure you hit the stop button before you save. And then you hit the save here at the top right. And it'll take a few seconds to save that. And that's it. So now when someone calls you, they will hear your voicemail as your custom voicemail, and you can always go back and set it to your default, or you can record another one. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.